मुझे मुझे सॉरी मुझे इतने चीयर्स मेरे कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में तो कभी सुनाई दिए नहीं. आई डोंट नो आज ये प्यार कहाँ से आ रहा है. बट गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. This very moment, this platform, all you guys took me back to 10 years when Sanjay ji had held a similar event to introduce Sonam and me to you guys. And I remember that day, it was probably the most terrifying moment of my life. I remember my knees were shaking, my voice was trembling, I was getting choked while talking, and was probably the most overwhelming feeling of my life. इन्होंने फ़ोन किया था लेकिन मैंने इसका फ़ोन नहीं उठाया.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं इसका फ़ोन कभी नहीं उठाता.
कभी भी नहीं.
ये कभी भी जब भी फ़ोन करता है कुछ उल्टा सुल्टा बात करता है. नेवर यू नो ये टाइम वेस्ट करता है मेरा. बट आई वांटेड टू नॉट टॉक टू हिम. यू नो आई थिंक देयर वाज नो कम्युनिकेशन क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब हम आज आए इट शुड बी मोर स्पॉन्टेनियस एंड यू नो रियली नॉट बी रिहर्स्ड कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये क्या बोल रहा है, ये क्या बोल रहा है. सो एक्चुअली आई जस्ट मेट हिम 5 minutes back stage. And I'm pretty impressed that you've come pretty well prepared here with all your answers.
Not at all, यार मैं बहुत nervous हूँ.
आदर कपूर खानदान से
Well, कोशिश तो करूँगा मैं. I think मुझे actually actor बनना था क्योंकि I was interested in acting and I was the love for cinema. It wasn't because of my family, but in any small way, if I can try and take the legacy forward, I will try to. But Ranbir Bhaiya, my Mama ji, Shri Rishi Kapoor, my Nana ji, Raj Kapoor, and my great grandfather Prithviraj Kapoor, they've all achieved so much. They're such fine actors. They've been accepted so gratefully in the industry.
Adar, welcome to the film industry.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
रणबीर भैया की ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है जिसे जो देखकर आपको लगा कि आप शायद उस फिल्म से लॉन्च हो पाते?
No film, ma'am. ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्टर है. I don't think any film, but I love his films. Yeah. He's such a great actor. I loved Barfi. You're looking really cool in Jagga Jasoos also, I must say. I can't name one film. Yeah. He's so different in every film. I wouldn't want to be launched in any of his films. I would like to watch his films for his films.
ये अभी शर्मा रहा है. He had told me if he was launched, he would like to do a film like बेशरम. वो उसकी पहली फिल्म होती. शर्मा रहा है. ठीक है. It's okay. I said be honest to them, mother. Not be so politically correct also. Be honest.
Hi Adar. Here.
Hi.
सामने तानिया from E20.
Hi Tanya.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि रणबीर के सामने आपने अपना एक्टिंग टैलेंट दिखाया हो और उन्होंने आपको मार्क्स दिए हो?
एक्चुअली जब हम ऐ दिल मुश्किल में थे, हम दोनों साथ में काम कर रहे थे फॉर ओवर ईयर. तो एवरी मॉर्निंग आई वुड गो इनटू हिज रूम, इनटू हिज मेकअप रूम एंड प्रिपेयर द सीन ऑफ ऐश्वर्या मैम एंड अनुष्का मैम बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू डू
ये झूठ बोल रहा है. मैं एक्चुअली आई यूज्ड टू बुली हिम. आई यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय हेयर एंड मेकअप. मैं इसको मेरे कमरे में बुलाता था लंदन में एंड मैं इसको करवाता था कि से ऐश्वर्या's lines, से अनुष्का's lines. So I could learn my lines. I was using him, but in a way it would be good for him क्योंकि ये भी हिंदी फिल्म डायलॉग्स बोलेगा. तो मैं उसको बोलता नहीं एक्सप्रेशन के साथ बोल. And then he used to laugh and then I used to put him in another room कि जा सीख किया lines. And then I used to make him act like Aishwarya Rai also sometimes. So yeah.
Yeah.
हाय आदर, आपके स्टेट
Yes, ma'am.
मैं अनुप्रिया हूँ दैनिक जागरण डिजिटल से.
Hi.
आपसे सवाल है कि कृष्णा राज कपूर जी फिल्मी लवर मानी जाती हैं, तो उन्होंने आपको क्या कहा है और करीना कितनी करीबी रही हैं, उनकी तरफ से आपको क्या नसीहत मिली है?
आज एक्चुअली जब मैं सुबह उठा मैंने अपनी नानी से बात की फ़ोन पे एंड शी जस्ट सेड टेक गॉड्स नेम एंड enjoy it. This will never come again in your life. This moment which I am now on stage in front of all of you. So enjoy it and cherish it. And my cousin Karina, Bebo Didi, she said just break a leg. So I'm trying to do that.
तोड़ दे.
Hi everyone. So I'm here today to present a brand new actor to you all. Anya, please come and join us. I was just having a chat with Anya, and she told me backstage that she's a little nervous. So be nice, otherwise I'm sitting here. Beautiful video.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you everybody for coming this evening. It means a lot to Adar and me.
So I'm just going to ask Anya, I'm just going to ask you a few questions that I've been dying to know. I've just met her today backstage and we've had a little chat, but please tell me, how has the journey been so far? Because there's a life, right? There's one life before you sign your for your first film, and then there's the other. Like literally everything just changes. It starts to feel different. So what was it like? What was it like before you became an actor, and what was the first break like, and then what were the reactions? And I don't want to ask you anything specifically because I know that it's a thing, that it's a moment that you can't even say because there's so much that happened, so much that happened to me. So tell me, what was the first thing that you thought of when Adi told you, yes, you're going to be doing this movie?
So I remember when Adi sir finally told me that I've got this movie. That was my first proper conversation with Adi sir. Before that, I'd seen him at the cafe, you know, passed a smile, said hello, but that's it, nothing beyond that. And Shanu one day told me that, listen, I'm coming to office to meet you, and I just want to chat with you. So I said, okay, cool, like I'll wait. And Shanu Sharma takes me to the lift and she says, we're going to the 4th floor. Now, only because of Coffee with Karan, I know that the 4th floor means this is Aditya Chopra's place. So I was extremely nervous going from the 3rd floor to the 4th floor. I went and I sat, I had a glass of water because I was so nervous. And Adi sir walks in, very coolly says, okay, so you've got the film and I want you to work really hard. And so I heard that and I was like, I was listening to what Adi sir, I was hearing what Adi sir was saying, but I wasn't actually listening to him because everything just went completely blank for me, and I couldn't believe it. Like I thought when I get the film I'll like cry or like, you know, it'll be very dramatic, but I think I couldn't believe the fact that my dream had finally turned into reality because it was very hard for me. So those 5 minutes I just spent staring and not listening. And I walked out, Shanu gave me a hug. And I went back home and I FaceTimed my entire family. And I think that's when it hit me that, you know, finally what I really wanted has come to me.
आन्या, मेरा नाम आलोक है.
जी आप.
हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
सवाल ये है आपसे कि जैसा मैंने अभी आदर से भी पूछा था कि कल की रात कैसी गुजरी जब आपको पता था कि आज हमसे मुखातिब होना है आपको?
सच बोलूँ तो मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं हूँ. मैं सुबह उठी तो मुझे पता था कि 9 बजे हमारी पिक्चर्स जा रही हैं सोशल मीडिया पे. तो मैं वेट करी थी. मैं 4 और लोगों के साथ रहती हूँ फ्लैट में. तो हम सब साथ में बैठ के वेट कर रहे थे पिक्चर्स आने के लिए. और मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी कि मैंने फिर आदर को फ़ोन किया जो सो रहे थे और उनको उठाया और बोला पिक्चर्स आ गए हैं, उठो. तो हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं, एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से और नर्वसनेस वो भी था.
Welcome to the film industry.
Thank you.
Well, your pictures, your videos look gorgeous. Good luck to you for
Thank
your
you
3
so
films.
much.
Well, सवाल ये है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के पहले कभी सोचा था कि कौन से एक्टर के साथ रोमांस करता है जब आप ऑडिशंस वगैरह कर रहे थे? ऐसा कोई ड्रीम को एक्टर?
रणवीर सिंह.
और वो क्यों?
सॉरी.
Why रणवीर?
जब मैंने बैंड बाजा बारात देखी थी, मैं उसी दिन से उनकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन बन गई थी. और मुझे वो बहुत रिलेटेबल लगते हैं, तो इसलिए आई थिंक रणवीर सिंह. उस व्हेन आई वाज ऑडिशनिंग और जब मुझे बॉम्बे आना था, वो मेरे माइंड में थे.
By the way, Ranveer Singh has just met her backstage, and sat there and told her, "Chalo, very good, and baal bana lo and all. Chalo, okay, beta."
Yeah, he said, okay, beta.
And he's like, "Did I just say beta?"